In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a CRM for managing real estate buyer and seller pipelines effectively. Whether you're a realtor or a real estate investor, understanding how to use a CRM can be a game changer in organizing and closing deals faster. First, let's talk about what a CRM can do for your real estate pipeline. It acts as a centralized hub, where you store all your contact information, track interactions, and manage your leads from the initial inquiry to closing. It's the ultimate tool for staying organized and ensuring no lead slips through the cracks. Start by setting up your CRM. Most CRMs, including the software we'll be using today, allow you to create different pipelines for buyers and sellers. This means you can have one workflow for people looking to buy a property and another for those selling. Inside each pipeline, you'll add stages that represent where the lead is in the process. For example, a seller pipeline could have stages like initial contact, property listed, and offer received. Now let's get to the actual process. Add a new lead into the system, either manually or by importing contacts. You'll be able to categorize them based on where they are in the buying or selling journey. For buyers, you can have additional details like their preferred home type, budget, and location, while for sellers, you can note the property details and listing status. This segmentation is key for targeting your follow-ups appropriately. As your lead moves through the pipeline, you'll want to set up automatic reminders for follow-ups. Whether it's a phone call or an email, your CRM can notify you when it's time to reach out, ensuring you're staying in touch at the right moments. Automated tasks like sending emails or setting up appointments can also be triggered when a lead hits a new stage in the pipeline. One of the most powerful features of a CRM is its ability to track every interaction. You can log phone calls, emails, meetings, and even add notes to each lead's profile. This makes it easy to pick up right where you left off, even if it's been a while since your last communication. To optimize your pipeline, it's crucial to use reporting tools. With our software, you can track the performance of each pipeline and see where your leads are getting stuck. This helps you identify bottlenecks, whether it's a delay in getting offers or a lack of communication, and adjust your process accordingly. The key takeaway here is that using a CRM for managing real estate buyer and seller pipelines isn't just about organizing your contacts. It's about creating a systematic approach to managing your leads so you can close more deals faster. By setting up and tracking your pipelines, automating your follow-ups, and using reporting tools, you'll have everything you need to stay ahead of the competition. Remember to take advantage of the exclusive free trial link in the description below. You can try the software we use today, which will give you all the tools you need to take control of your real estate pipelines. In summary, make sure to 1. Set up pipelines for both buyers and sellers. 2. Track all your leads through the stages of the pipeline. 3. Automate reminders and follow-ups to save time. 4. Use reporting to optimize your process and find bottlenecks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab your free trial and start using a CRM to grow your real estate business today.